celebrate life. Oh, what a wonderful thing. The good and bad, and everything it brings. I celebrate the sun, the moon and stars, the flowers, the grass, on which dew falls. I celebrate life, the birds that sings, and music that keep me dancing. I celebrate life, every shade of colors, the tiny raindrops, and heavy showers. I celebrate the ocean, bountiful with life, the rivers and streams, also day and night. I celebrate life, the ant, bees, and moth, the pesky little mosquitoes, even the wasp. I celebrate life, the breeze that blow, spring, summer, fall, and the snow. I celebrate life, the beasts of the fields, the smallest of organisms that have been revealed. I celebrate the forest, the trees, the bird's nest, the mountains and the valleys, creation at its best. I celebrate my Creator, also Mother Earth, that gave us this gift. I celebrate each day with praise from my lips.